Sophie Rain, $60 million is what I have for you to fight me in a boxing match. You're about that money, right? Well, this is more money than you've ever made off that crusty, dusty, boomer-ass link. So put on the gloves and fight me. This is an opportunity for you, a self-proclaimed fan of mine, to meet your idol in the ring. And don't pretend you're above it all just because you're scared I'm going to beat the brakes off of you. I'm ready for you. I've been training. I've been doing spicy boxing training sessions, workouts. You can find it on my link. I'm going to literally hit up my manager and my attorney right now to draft the contract. $60 million to meet me in the boxing ring, Sophie.